Forex trading is probably the most misunderstood skill on the internet. Depending on who you ask, it's either a scam or it's the easiest way to become rich. I don't believe it's either. A few years ago, I wanted nothing to do with Forex trading. Every time I heard people talk about it, it sounded too complicated. And if you're being honest, it did sound a little bit suspicious as well. Until I met people who are trading full time, professionally. And the conversations we had changed how I looked at it. And it's not because they convinced me that, oh my God, Tess, you can become rich overnight. I wish that was possible. Maybe it is. The realization was honestly much simpler. I realized or learned that through the conversations we had and me just being in their realm and understanding what they do on a day-to-day basis, that Forex trading is not magic. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's a skill. And just like any other skill, just like writing, photography, or even creating videos, there's a right and wrong way to learn it. If I had to start from zero, from nothing, knowing what I know now, this is exactly how I'd approach learning Forex from scratch. So, whatever you think of Forex, get rid of it and retain only one thing, that this is a skill. And in this video, I am going to tell you the best way to learn Forex trading as a beginner. The first mistake most beginners make is not choosing the wrong broker or using the wrong strategy. It's asking the wrong question. They all ask one question: how do I make money? Everybody's typing on YouTube, how do I make money Forex trading? How do I gain profits? The question everybody should be asking, especially if this is a path you wanna take, is only one: how do I become good at trading Forex? Just the way you'd ask if you wanted to become an engineer, how do I become a good engineer? Not how do I make money as an engineer. You only start asking, how do I make money as an engineer after you've acquired the skill of engineering. That is the same approach you take with Forex. How do I become good at this skill? When you chase money without having the skill, there's only one outcome: nothing, zero, failure. When you chase the skill, money is just, a side effect. The reason this other question doesn't work, especially if you're just getting started, like how do I make money, is the solution you get is that I think you just jump too much ahead. You start thinking of strategies. You start thinking of, what time to trade, how to place a trade, and all that. You ignore everything else that is important before you start asking those other questions. And everything needs a strong foundation. If you're going to make money doing Forex trading, then you need to first learn the most important things about Forex trading before you jump into trading and making money and all that. And for you to take this other approach, the one that eventually leads to money, you need to be as patient as possible. If you want to become rich tomorrow, if you're in a financial fix and you think Forex is gonna rescue you in a week or in a month, the first part is always mindset. That is why I start with it. Once you change your mindset and the goal you have, then your approach changes and your results are, I can't say guaranteed, but you're more likely to make the money you really want. You treat it the way you'd treat learning photography or playing the guitar or coding or playing the piano. You have to understand what you're actually learning. One of the things that really confused me when I started Forex trading is I thought I was learning an app. I thought you just need to learn MetaTrader or know where the buy and sell buttons are. How do I make a trade? How do I buy and sell? But in real sense, that is not what you're learning. You're learning how financial markets behave. And the moment you start thinking about it from that respect, that, oh my God, I am learning how financial markets behave so I can learn how to ride the wave of it. Forex is short for foreign exchange. It's the buying and selling of one currency against another. And what you should know is that currencies constantly change in value because economies change. all the time. Interest rates change, inflation rates change, political events happen, and most of them affect the market in one way or another. Markets react to all these factors. And I'm not saying that now your job as a trader is to predict the market perfectly. I don't think that is what traders do. I think your job as a trader is to form a reasonable opinion of where you think the market might move to and taking advantage of that, but also protecting yourself or your money against the risk of you being wrong because the market is not 100% predictable. So you build a reasoned opinion. That is why they tell you to learn how the markets behave so you can build an opinion based on data and facts, things you've seen happen in the market or things that have affected the market. And you make your trades, you want to make some money, but also manage risk. The risk of you being wrong because your opinion is just an opinion, it might be wrong. And a lot of traders get those opinions wrong many times. You see, that's a very different way of thinking about Forex trading. And once you've embraced that thinking, you start learning the foundation of Forex trading, not strategy. To be honest with you, when I first started, as much as I knew from having those conversations with those other Forex traders that I needed to first focus on my learning, I was also curious to know, can I actually make money? So I didn't give learning, the foundations, the time, patience, and commitment they required. And if I had to start from scratch today, I'd wait weeks or months before I learned even one single strategy. Instead, I'd focus on understanding the language of trading, the foundations. Learn things like what is a trend, what is support, what is resistance, why do prices move, why do markets react, and what do they react to? What makes one currency stronger or weaker? What makes the USD stronger? What makes maybe Japanese yen weaker? Or, you understand the currencies, at least the currencies you are interested in trading. Now, pay attention to what I did not say. I did not say understand candlesticks patterns. No, that comes way later. Because without understanding the market first, you're not building the knowledge you need to actually make the right decisions when you start trading. It's like when you're in school and you don't want to understand how you arrived at an answer, you just memorized it. And I know in school that didn't have, as much repercussion, but here, if you do that, you're going to lose your money. So you focus on understanding the market first, the currencies, what affects the currencies, how, the prices fluctuate and why. One piece of advice I'd give literally everyone is don't rush to put real money in the market. Don't rush to deposit money from your bank account to a broker app and start trading. Practice, yes, like practice without pressure. Practice as much as you can, but use a demo account. A demo account gives you virtual money, but lets you trade in the real market, which means you get to practice and to see if your formed opinion, your reasoned opinion, actually was right or not. You understand how easy it is to lose money and what happens, how easy or hard it is to actually make a profit. So you trade with virtual money, but in the real market, and you really practice, but you're not losing your money. You're losing virtual money. But the strategies you're learning, the experience, the knowledge you're gaining is real. And that is what will help you manage risk when you start trading with real money. Thing is, everybody who trades Forex makes mistakes, including the Forex billionaires. That's the only thing that is guaranteed in Forex trading. And you, my friend, are going to make mistakes, whether you like it or not. So honestly, when you're starting, why do you want to lose your money? You'd rather lose virtual money instead of guessing and lose your real money. Once you become consistent on a demo account, once you learn the ropes, once you've your trades using the virtual money starts making you some profit and you feel comfortable, after you've consistently made profits here and there, then you can start investing your own money and trading with it. Because I know the goal is to make money. I just am cautioning you to take your time before you get there, because there is definitely probability of you making money, but there's also even a much higher probability of you losing your money. And I know the hardest part of this whole thing is ignoring the noise. The internet is full of Forex trading noise. People here saying, oh my God, it's a scam, stay away. You know how the internet works. Trading doesn't care about the internet. It rewards patience and discipline and sticking to what you know, even when everybody else is saying something different. You'll see people claiming they turned $100 to $1 million overnight. And that is very enticing. Yeah. Oh my God, I traded 500 pounds and now I have 2,000 pounds overnight. You'll see them. You'll see the Instagram posts, the very expensive cars, the big houses, the people just taking pictures of their profits and putting them out there for you to see how they're making money, and you're not. You'll see guys going on luxury holidays. You'll see 1,000,001 groups on, I don't know, Telegram, Signal, even WhatsApp telling you, come join my group. I will help you trade. Give me your $500. I will turn it into $2,000. People claiming they have like secret ways to, to know how the market is moving and all that. And maybe they do. But following all that noise and trying to listen to everybody is not going to make you become a better trader. It will just confuse you and demoralize you. But if you find someone you trust or an avenue you trust, then feel free to do whatever you want. I'm just saying, be more cautious with what you listen to, what you take in, and but follow this one rule. If somebody makes it look extremely easy or promises you overnight profits, then please be very cautious. People you should trust when it comes to Forex are people who, yes, maybe tell you how much you can earn, but they also highlight with serious intention of the risk you're probably facing. People who tell you, yes, you can make this money, but there's a risk. Yes, the reward is probable, but so is the risk. And most of the time in Forex, you have a much more probability of losing your money than you have of making some money. So be careful who you listen to. When I started trading, I lost so much money. I quickly learned that it's very easy to lose money than it is to make money when trading Forex. So I had to learn restraint, not to, oh my God, I don't know, somebody has made an announcement, the market is moving very fast, and I want to immediately enter the market. I learned restraint because that made me lose so much money. There is a time I lost everything I had at that time, and trust me, it's not fun. So be careful who you listen to, practice restraint, be patient, and learn the foundations of Forex trading. And you know what? Don't be greedy. Greed is how people lose all the little money they have in the efforts of quickly doubling it. So learn trading because you want to build the skill, and money will be the outcome of you building that skill. And if you're serious about learning, I have already made a much more detailed beginner tutorial where I walk through things like placing your first trade, using a demo account, understanding trading platforms, and setting everything up step by step. Here I teach you not just how to do stuff, but also some of the foundations so you can have a basic understanding of what Forex is. Not saying you should watch that video and start trading, just saying watch this tutorial and learn the foundations and see how Forex trading works, and then go and build on top of that information you get. You'll find the link to that tutorial in the video description. If you found this helpful, please let me know what stage you are at when it comes to Forex trading. Are you a beginner? Are you intermediate? Do you consider yourself an expert? What would you like to learn? Because honestly, I'd love to make more content about Forex. I won't be telling you this is how I make. No, we've moved past that. Let's focus on the real thing. How do we build this skill, and how do we make money almost a guaranteed outcome?